You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including variations around this name and the way they're pronounced, including from French, stay tuned. I've got videos for you. I'll link to them at the end. It comes from French name Jaclyn, okay? And therefore in English it's generally pronounced as Jaclyn, alright, Jaclyn. Some may say it as Jaclyn. Let us know in the comments how you pronounce it, but most generally in English, Jaclyn. It's pretty straightforward once you know Jaclyn, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.